A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the eternal sun within. However long the night, dawn will break. Ladies and gentlemen, there are moments when life seems to pause, when outcomes remain unseen and questions linger in the mind. How much longer will the path open? Yet, high above, the sun continues its silent journey, unwavering, tireless, constant. Whether hidden behind clouds or fully radiant, its motion never ceases. In this quiet cosmic rhythm lives a timeless truth. However long the night, dawn will break, both in the world and within. Across ages, civilizations have drawn strength from this universal law. The ancient Egyptians revered Ra, the sun god, as a symbol of renewal. Native American wisdom spoke of the great spirit's light returning after every storm. In the East, sages taught that the sun is not only in the heavens but also within, as the quiet flame of life, consciousness, and enduring will. Modern science echoes this ancient knowing. The sun's core burns continuously, converting matter into light, unexhausted and unshaken. In nature, forests renew after fire, rivers carve fresh paths, and even in the silence of the cosmos, dying stars birth new galaxies. The human body heals, the mind adapts, and societies rebuild and advance, always returning to light. At the core of every individual dwells this same silent force, an eternal sun within. It may sometimes be veiled, but it remains steady, luminous, and ever ready. What's the way forward? The way forward lies not in waiting, but in embracing the present with calm resolve. Like the sun that illuminates its path steadily, one may light today's circle. A kind gesture, a task fulfilled, a hand extended, a moment of learning or stillness cherished. Remaining connected to the greater design known by many names as Tao, Dharma, or cosmic intelligence, offers renewal to the inner vision. In reflection, in silent observation of nature, or in moments of quiet alignment, this connection brings clarity. Above all, through three companions guide every journey. Wisdom to perceive what truly matters. Compassion to uplift both self and others. Courage to advance steadily with faith in the unfolding. For those in challenge, it is strength. For those in peace, it is purpose. For all, it is the rhythm of life itself. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the sun does not argue with darkness. It simply rises. In the Bhagavad Gita, standing on the battlefield of his rightful duty, Arjuna's mind was clouded, not from weakness, but from deep reflection. Lord Krishna spoke not to console, but to elevate. Stand firm, Arjuna. Perform your duty with a steady mind. Let neither doubt nor desire distract you. I am with you, guiding your chariot. As your purpose aligns with righteousness, victory is certain. This is the timeless assurance. Wherever there is Krishna, the eternal wisdom, and Arjuna, the awakened soul, acting with clarity, courage, and coherence, there truth prevails, the path clears, and the dawn surely breaks. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.